So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up your iPhone's default VPN and make it work. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of general. In the general, go to this option of VPN and device management. Now here, just simply click on this option of VPN, and here you can see all you need to do is to just simply hit add VPN configuration. For example, if I've set it up this VPN configuration where you can see my VPN description is VPN, and you can copy this server as well. It will definitely work. Make sure to hit this type 2 L2TP, and you can set the password and secret as well as same VPN. Once you are done, hit done, and once you are done with it, just simply come back, and from the notification panel you can easily turn this option of a VPN to make it work, and it will take some time to connect, and once it's connected, your VPN will start working. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.